Hey guys, Adam from Workman Firearms here. In today's video, we will be showing you guys how to remove the fire control unit, or FCU, from the Sig Sauer P320 full size. Let's get back to the bench and get it taken out. Alright, so in today's video we're going to be showing you guys how to remove the fire control unit of the full-size Sig P320. This also applies to all other P320s, but this video specifically has the full size in it. So to begin the process, we are going to remove the source of ammunition and make sure our firearm is clear. So rack that slide to the rear. You're going to physically and visually inspect the chamber, and then physically and visually inspect the mag well, and then just do a double check. From there, you're going to flip that takedown lever. You want to then release that slide release there and pull the slide all the way off of the frame. And then we don't need the slide for this process, so we're just going to set the slide off to the side. We want to focus on our frame here. To begin this process, what we're going to want to do is we want this takedown lever here to come out, because that takedown lever is what's holding this FCU into place. So if you just take that takedown lever, flip it back up into its original position, and then grab a punch or something of that sort, and then you can just take it on the other side of the firearm and just push, and that takedown lever is going to pop right out for you. And jimmy it right out of there. Set it off to the side. Now our takedown lever is out, and now I'm going to grab a flathead real quick so we can just pry this FCU out of here. And I'm just going to pop it right up, and the whole FCU is going to come out. So that's the fire control unit for the Sig P320, and now we can take it and we can put it into another firearm if we need to. And this is obviously the frame. This is the serialized piece of the firearm. So this is what's considered the actual fire mechanism here. So this is what's serialized on the firearm. But yeah, that's how you remove the fire control unit for the Sig P320. Thanks for watching, guys.